Hello everyone. Thank you so much for participating in this 7 days health challenge. So today is the last day, it's a D-Day, it's the 7th final day of your 7th day health challenge. Thank you so much for all the responses and all the participation, all the support. I would definitely like to know the feedback, what kind of thing you want to add in, if I can do this kind of challenge again. So if you give your feedback that I can improve my challenges more better. I'm always open for feedback, always open for challenges, always open for good feedback. So please, even bad feedback also, if you can give me bad feedback also, then also I'll try to improve myself. So please share your feedback and what you feel and how I can improve more and how I can serve you more better. Okay, so today is the last day, that is 7th day. So today we'll work on all the lifestyle or all the things that we did so far. So today we actually introspect ourselves and we can check that whatever we have done these 7 days, like whether it's food, whether it's movement, whether it's like mindset, gratitude. So we need to be very alert and we need to check that how good and positive way we are spending in a whole day. And then you have to scale yourself, you have to score yourself with a scale of 1 to 10. You have to give yourself point that okay, in whole day I was how much good way I was in a day, like how much I was positive, how healthy I eat the food, everything you need to check, introspect and give yourself a point. So I need to see your score in the WhatsApp group, that how much you scored, you are giving in the scale of 1 to 10. And another thing is that as I promised that I am going to give you some gift, so I am going to give you 2 gifts. First, I am going to take 2-hour proper live session, Zoom session for you all, free of cost, and it will be all about the mindset, all about the lifestyle, all about the health, everything that we have just done for these 7 days. Will give in a very detailed way. I will definitely share you this detail what all I cover in this 2-hour workshop, and I'm sure if you can attend that, you will get lot of good routines and lot of good points, information, so that you can if you can implement is very very important. The action is very important. If you will not take any action, if you just listen, if you do, you'll not get anything. This kind of all challenges my mentor also thrown on me, and I have done that, actually implemented that, then only I find a lot of positive change. So if you also do action, like implement, then only you get a result, otherwise you will not get a result. So remember, action matters a lot. Action speaks a lot, it's always time. So the first gift is, of course, I'll give you 2-hour proper workshop, and second gift I'm going to give you that I'm going to share you my calendar, so that you can book one-to-one session with me, and you can take one-to-one session where you can share your if you are facing any challenge, any issue, so I'll give my best support, best help that I can give you all. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this 7 days challenge, health challenge. Looking forward for more better challenges I'll plan for you, but I'm looking forward to feedback. If you can give me the feedback, how can I improve more and all, then it will be great. So thank you so much. Please be with me in this Wisdom Hub. I'm planning to do a lot of different kind of challenges, lot of different kind of activities. Please participate it. I'm sure you're going to enjoy my Wisdom Hub.